Hey guys, Mr. T, here's another video. This one is on multiplying algebraic fractions. So when you multiply two or more fractions, it's just the same as if you were just multiplying fractions. They're all numbers, so no variables. This is just to show you some examples using algebra where there's variables in your fractions. So 1, you multiply the numerators, so the top numbers of the fractions to form the new numerator of the answer. 2, you multiply the denominator, so the bottom numbers to form the new denominator. And then you have to go through and cancel any common factors in the answer so that it's written in simplest form. So, to show you how this works, let's do a couple of examples. So, step 1, multiply the numerators, the top numbers. So, the answer is going to be the top number here, 3 times by m, so the new numerator is going to be 3 times by m, over the denominators. Now we're timesing them out, so m times by 6, so the answer is going to be 3m on 6m. We're not finished yet though, because this is in simple form. This is the right answer, but you may notice that 3's go into 6. How many times? Twice. So 3 cancels out to 1 over 2. And then m goes into itself. You're dividing an m by another m, which is 1. So really, it's 3 on 6, which is a half, times by m on m, which is 1. So your answer is, in simplest form, is just going to be 1/2. The m's are gone because you have an m on the top and an m on the bottom. They cancel out as factors. So next, we have 3 on m times by m squared. Now, the important trick here is to know that, see, these rules are asking you to multiply fractions together. Right now, you can't see that m squared is a fraction. All numbers are fractions, we just don't bother writing them like that, because it's extra numbers to write. But any whole number written as a fraction is the number over 1. So now we can apply our rules. The numerators multiplied by each other, 3 times by m squared. The denominators times by each other, m times by 1. So it's going to be 3m squared over 1m, which you would write as m. So right now, I wouldn't do this in a test or anything, and you're working out because it's an extra step. So I'm going to do it in red. I'm going to write what we've got here in long ways. You've got 3 times by m times by m, because anything to the power is that number, that base number multiplied by itself that number of times, over m. So you have 2 m's being multiplied by each other on the top and 1m on the bottom. 1m divided by itself cancels out to 1. So really, what you have left is 3 and an m over 1 is all you've got on the bottom. And then, because it's over 1, that's the same as the whole number 3m. So that's fully cancelled down. Okay? So that is a couple of examples of multiplying algebraic fractions. Of course, they get more difficult, but just to show you how the theory goes into practice really quickly. Okay? So hopefully that helps you out, and see you in the next video.